You have a document here and you want to correct a grammatical error and a spelling error. This is how you do it with Microsoft Word for free. So on the tabs here, you move to the review tab here. And I think that's the first option here. You can see ABC and spelling and grammar. So just tap on that and you're going to see, they are going to give you some sort of recommendations, right? So there's the first one. Them here, they are changing it for me. They are just going to glance through and they'll give you the suggestions here. Select any of them here. And you can see this is reading and it's reading rather. I made a Q and this is video. So just like you can see, they are correcting this for me, the highlighted one. I select video and we come down here and they are saying this sentence is also not well. So I just added them there and I add the same thing here. Yeah, so it's a duplicated document. I just duplicate all of them. So that's why it's giving me the same error continuous when I try to solve it. So that's it on how you use the spell check feature on Microsoft Word. It's very simple and easy. You move to the review tab and you tap on the spelling and grammar and you get your errors appear here and your suggestions appear here. You select it and you're good to go. That's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.